Looking for the perfect blend between luxury and smart investing? Ever wonder where Florida's top elite are moving to? Well, today I am taking you inside Hampton Green at Providence, where legacy meets luxury living. Welcome to Hampton Green by ABD Development, a 30-year legacy of luxury craftsmanship. Now, before we step inside, let me share something super interesting with you. No CDD and super low HOA for your luxury style living. Now, yes, you heard me. Thousands of dollars in savings while you're living in a resort lifestyle community. Let me share Florida's incredible story. Record-breaking property appreciation, major corporate relocations, expanding medical centers, tech industry growth. This isn't just a hype, it's reality. Central Florida has become America's hottest real estate market, and today I'm showing you why. We are seeing unprecedented growth across every sector. Major companies are choosing Florida as their new home, bringing thousands of high-paying jobs. Our medical corridors are expanding with world-class facilities. Tech companies are establishing their headquarters here. This isn't just development, it's transformation. And it's not hard to see why. Perfect weather year-round, no state income tax, a quality of life that is drawing people from across the country. Property values have consistently outperformed national averages, making Florida not just a place to live, but a smart investment for your future. Imagine just living minutes from Disney World, 30 minutes from downtown Orlando, and a short drive to both coasts. World-class hospitals, premium shopping at Mall at Millenia, my favorite, and Orlando International Airport, all within easy reach. This isn't just location, it's a lifestyle. Hi everyone, my name is jbarreiro, one of Florida's most trusted luxury real estate agents, known for working with industry leaders, entertainment figures, and elite entrepreneurs. I transform premium properties into wealth-building assets. And today, I'm gonna show you Central Florida's most exciting opportunity. Come on. The moment you step inside, these soaring ceilings aren't just tall, they are a statement maker. Natural light floods through every corner of this house, from ceiling to floors. This isn't just a house, this is an experience. Now let's talk about this dream chef's kitchen. Everything in here is gonna be top of the line. You're going to have stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, and designer cabinetry. So everything in here is going to be extremely exclusive, top of the line. Now, look at the oversized island, which will make it perfect for you to host wine nights, events, dinner gatherings, whatever you want. Imagine hosting Thanksgiving in here. It's going to be amazing, perfect, and with all these cute luxury features where now you have electricity right on your island. It just can't get any better. A resort-style pool right here in your courtyard where you can easily look at the kids play or have family around while you're enjoying your morning coffee right across from me from your beautiful kitchen, or some beautiful loungers that you can put out here. Isn't this a dream come true? Now, this is where it gets exciting. Championship golf right at your doorstep. These aren't just views, this is front row access to your next golf game. Now imagine calling your friends, hey, wanna come play a quick nine? I live right on the course. That's the Hampton Green lifestyle. These secondary bedrooms aren't just rooms, they were thoroughly designed. Perfect for kids, guests, or that home office you've been dreaming about. Each with their own personality and plenty of natural light. Even the garage is impressive. 3-car capacity, epoxy floors, and look at this storage space. Whether it's golf clubs, holiday decorations, or your prize card collection, there's room for everything. And here, your private oasis, where it's morning coffee, watching golfers, afternoon barbecues, or even cocktails under the stars. This is Florida living at its finest. These protected conservation views mean your peaceful backdrop is permanent. No future development will disturb your tranquility. The community design encouraged connection, wide sidewalks for evening strolls, neighbors becoming friends, kids riding bikes safely. This isn't just a neighborhood, it is a lifestyle. This great room, look at how it flows from the kitchen. Movie nights, game days, family gatherings, everything feels grand yet intimate. And these sliding glass doors, they bring the Florida living right inside, perfect for your Florida lifestyle. Now look at this master suite. This is a dream with the tray ceilings, the beautiful sliding doors that connect you to your pool, and you will have a beautiful closet that you can personalize to your liking. Now, this master bathroom ensuite is perfect. This is everything that I need in a bathroom to be happy. Beautiful tub where you can relax, put your bath bombs, your oils, whatever you need after a long day of work or after a long day of taking care of the kids. This is where you will relax. You still have your beautiful standing shower right over here with an amazing, beautiful seat where you can also relax with your rain shower, shower head, and all the massage you need. Now, last but not least, this is one of my favorite features this house has to offer. You're going to have your own private casita or studio. If you have any older kids or family members that want to come join you, this will be your guest casita. Come with me. This guest casita, as the developer calls it, is pretty spacious. It has a really nice sized closet that if you don't want a closet in here, you can make that a little kitchenette. And then right through here, you're going to have a full-size bathroom with your toilet, shower, more closet, and a nice vanity. So this would be perfect for hosting guests or even an older child. What makes Hampton Green truly special is the flexibility ABD Development gives you. Whether you choose one of their award-winning homes or you decide to build your dream home, you can do it all here, and you will be backed by 3 decades of luxury excellence. Hampton Green is not just a development. This is where you will build memories. This is where you'll celebrate your holidays. This is where you will enjoy and grow with your family. Now, this is the time to purchase one of these amazing deals. It's the end of the year and the builder is throwing out crazy specials. The house right behind me, they had it listed for $1.72 million, but right now we can probably negotiate a deal for you. The house next door is currently listed for $850,000. And there's so many more deals in here, but the best part is that these homes are moving ready. If you're ready to call Hampton Green your home, but before I let you go, make sure to subscribe, comment below, like this video, let us know so me and my team can reach out to you and come to this community and negotiate the best end of year deal possible for you and your family. Let's get you in right before Christmas so you're celebrating the best Christmas you've ever had.